Indonesia wins Miss World Talent Final. Monica's dazzling piano performance earned her fast-track spot in the top 10 of her continental group. Asia and Oceania one step closer to Miss World crown. The night ended with a joyful group number celebrating unity and soul of beauty with a purpose. A perfect tribute to the cultural magic of Telangana.